Ano to? Isulat sa guhit ang nawawalang bilang. Gawin sa kalakip na sagutang papel.
Answer them. Next.
Paano to? Ayusin ang mga bilang ayon sa sumusunod ay pinaka-kauniti
Hanggang
pinakamarami. Pinakamarami. Hanggang pinakaunti. Gawin sa kalakip na sagutang papel.
Sa letter A daw, you have to arrange from the smallest number to the biggest number. So, how do you arrange that? 7, 5, and 2. Which comes first? The smallest number.
2.
Write in the first underline. Write it here. What should come next?
5.
Write it. And then, okay, in letter B, you have to start with the biggest number up to the smallest. So, which comes first?
6.
Are you sure? 4, 9, and 6, which is the biggest number? Is number 6 bigger than number 9?
No.
Which is the biggest number? Right. Write it. And then
6.
Then, are you sure of your answers?
Yes.
Okay.